Can I touch the fire?
Would touching the fire hurt?
Would it be possible for me to wave my hand in the fire?
Okay, now, look, I want you to pay attention to the timing too.
Do you have Zoe as a student? She might not come to school.
Yeah. Okay, don't look directly at it.
Too late.
I'll look at it. Or stare at it.
Sounded like you had a fun. Do it again.
I did.
Ruben, was that Wowzers?
That's crazy.
Okay.
Answer the fucking question.
Dude, the shading hurts so bad.
That'll do it.
You not gotta worry about me. That'll do it. I'm gonna give you a name tag real quick. I think you know how I'm gonna put it.
Huh?
I'm gonna put your name tag.
How are y'all today?
Tired,
Great
cold.
day. I'm gonna make Viggo.
I'm in pain.
You want to learn why? Watch this short ad.
Want a break from the ads?
Ah, you.
Do not feel bad for you, Viggo.
I gave you a name tag.
Symbolic? Yes.
What?
It's a Roman centurion.
Is that symbolic towards you? Then?
It's what I want to be like.
You're a baseball player.
They had sex with a lot of men.
Exactly.
Wait.
No.
Yes.
Why are you so weird? I would say you guys, but it's not even him. It's just you.
Okay, it's not even just him.
Yeah.
No.
You're not. Yeah, but you're not suggesting I show my nipple to my teacher, are you?
No. I was just thinking just like the whole.
The rest of the tattoos underneath.
Okay, you don't have to show the whole tattoo.
You take one finger and you cover it up.
Dog, you know it's not.
The
my
name
fingers
tag
aren't-
over
you know
it.
My fingers aren't big enough.
You take 2 fingers, maybe 3.
Do what you gotta do, bro.
Maybe the palm.
Fucking.
Do it.
See my nipple?
Do it.
Huh? Do I see my nipple? Look,
Yeah,
dog.
you got a tattoo.
You got a tattoo?
Bro, you don't see it?
That's gotta be fake. No, it's real. That's fake.
Got a tattoo before me?
Dude, pull your shirt up again. Let's see. Again.
Nipple, nipple.
This is like the first 30 minutes in. This is like. Like tattoo.
I didn't think you would ever get tattooed.
That's a bar. You've been talking about for weeks.
I literally been telling everyone.
Months.
How much do you charge someone to get tattooed?
It depends on the amount, how big the tattoo is.
Are you getting a church tattoo?
Yeah, I'm trying to get like a tree tattoo on my ass.
It's gonna be. It's gonna say feed me or something.
Now,
I gave you a job.
Like I said, I could be
prove to me why I should give you convince me of why I should give you the shorts.
If my seat is gone when I come back, I will force you to throw up.
I do that shit right now.
I'd say I'm a fairly responsible person
Then why didn't you bring your own shorts?
because I went to bed at 12 a.m. and woke up at 2 and couldn't go back to bed. So my mind was all over the place.
Doesn't sound very responsible.
even more time to get ready in the morning.
No, I did not because
Eddie,
I was on the floor asleep but awake.
So that means, what if the same happens this afternoon?
It won't because I have school and I physically have to stay awake because or else I'm gonna fail. So
But what if you take them home on accident?
I mean I'm gonna have to take them home. Actually, I don't have to take them home, but he's gonna want me to watch them because he doesn't want my nut to fall over his shorts. Obviously.
So that gives him even more reason not to.
No, because I will wash them, and I'll even make sure it's delicate. It's on delicate, so I wash
No,
them to the
because the
highest
ones you
standard.
give me back, they're all ripped up.
And then I'll wear those.
You can't wear them.
Yes, I can.
No, like they're ripped up.
And then I will hand wash them. How about that?
Okay.
Eddie, this is not a good deal.
What?
No. Yes, me, yes. Shh. Suck my nuts.
Oh, Colin.
Hey. I corrected myself.
Hey, what you mean by that? Hey, what you mean by that? What you mean by that? No, what you mean by that? What you mean by that?
Phoenix, how do you feel about the black hole?
It's alright,
Does anybody have a
but it's
spoon? I
full of
need my
nerds,
beans.
so.
That was very tight.
Oh wow,
Full of what?
nerds. He's just talking about himself.
Get the fuck out.
He's just talking about himself.
Hey,
PG.
language.
I said it quiet. Nobody heard me.
I literally heard you when I was across the room.
Alright, now I'm trapped and it's making me uncomfortable.
I guess.
You act like they were not cuddling and snuggling every day in here for the past week.
So romantic.
That is not my fault.
I haven't met Daisy's sister.
It's not.
At least I know them. Adam and Giselle.
Oh, you're back.
We should be doing that. I'm just kidding. So, I just have relationship go.
Oh my god, this is gonna happen.
Hold on.
Whataburger from?
Me, I went out.
My
I got
mom.
it.
I wrote this song to commemorate my love for Whataburger, and for some of you all that don't have Whataburger around, you don't know how it makes.
That's not fair.
My
I should have
2009
gone to
PD study.
Colin,
wait.
I gotta put your hair back. I think I might have to go into again.
Would you be mad and no longer be Colin's friend if he killed your entire family?
Is he making a movie?
Depends. Well, if
No,
it's
she'd be
entire-
like, Colin.
If it's, if it's the entire family, yes, because I only really love my sister. And
What if I
sometimes my dad-
spared her? Hear me out. What if I spared her, but then sold her as a slave?
Oh my god.
But who?
She didn't hear that.
What?
What?
If he spares my sister, I'll be less mad. But like, I would also like my dad to be there sometimes. Like,
Leo,
he'll take him hostage.
Would
and
you
let him
hate
visit
me
on
if I
holidays.
committed a crime?
If Colin spared my sister, hostage my dad, let him visit on like holidays, then I'll be like, okay, you're good.
Okay, but no, he only gets to visit on Easter.
No, absolutely not.
Easter's my favorite holiday.
The fuck is wrong with you?
When?
Me.
Can you come?
Do it. Wait. Need to breathe. Wait, I won't. Need to breathe.
Yeah, but like, you know when you take a shower and then you're just like locked up in the room so you
You can't choke me, then I'll have to throat.
Just cover his nose. Cover his nose.
No, wait, no, I need that. Wait, no, I don't. I can't breathe out of it. Damn.
This is my second coming. Well,
Because we're brown.
Yes!
That is exactly.
Hey, Chocolate Nuts, I still have your flies. Yeah.
How has it been keeping Julia hostage from Europe?
this is perfect time to tickle him.
No, but it's not too bad. His neck is so tight. She'll have it for 5 minutes. She'll be scared.
Been odd having a European.
She's not even European. She's Swiss, so like they don't even count.
What are they then?
Scandinavian.
Julia, how's it like being in America and being in a foreign exchange student?
Americans are weird.
Yeah.
The stereotypes are confirmed. Most of them. It's like when you're fat, or like your
Which ones haven't been
breathing in
confirmed
your-
You'd have to be kind of fun.
What about
People
you?
are taking like right here and blue.
Don't they have a lab?
This guy was bending over. Zoom in on Julian. Julian, take your mask off real quick.
Why?
For the funny.
For the funny.
Dude, Viggo. Oh my god.
What if he's not even coming back?
Yes, it was back to you.
Remember when we did this?
So you didn't even do the lab. I think I did trial 1.
It's age
Well, then you
one.
should have enough
Really
information.
bad.
Yeah, like
Why doesn't
terrible.
God damn.
Are you zooming in on that?
Yes.
Why would it do? Oh yeah, Mijo wanted them to come over again Friday and Friday. They even asked me to make tacos. And she was like, well, they aren't that hard to make, and they do come over often enough, so I think you should. So and she was like, ay, pues, no one helps me, and then she looked at me. She was like, you better help me Thursday if they're gonna come over.
When the water was heated,
So I'll think about it.
Dude,
it would
dude.
speed up the reaction.
Are we low?
Dylan's gonna be there. Adrian's gonna be there. Marcus gonna be there. Ed.
Okay. Okay, that's a little much.
Ed's gonna be there. Oh, fuck. He.
How do you feel about the rising sea level?
He tried to sell snacks to my mom.
I live in Angleton. We're below sea level, so it doesn't matter.
It's always been below.
I know. Is that Nico's?
Yes, we turned it inside out.
Yeah, right side is stuck.
We already did.
What are you doing, Viggo?
It's there. Dude, what are you doing now? He's gotta be closer.
He's right there. He's right there.
Every second you're waiting, he's getting closer.
You thought. Come pizza. I need a good angle.
I was so close. I could probably still smell it.
I know everyone gets to put their lunch in the recycling.
Why does he have a hammer? Why does he have a hammer? Why does he have a hammer? I don't care.
Why do you do that?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You gotta close the bag. Oh, you did?
Where did bro go? I see someone that we should let go. Someone holding a hammer. And never mind.
And he's holding it.
What the hammer?
I put it in you.
You better hurry. Hurry up.
Where's the, oh my. Where's the zipper?
Well, remember it's on the inside.
He didn't close it all.
Oh my god, I would kill myself. I like touching your stomach. It's squishy.
I'm gonna be honest, if someone said that to me, I would literally strangle them.
Someone said, "What is the best Marvel movie line that can be used during sex?" Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good. You're just a kid. I went for the head.
Well, you said you're paying for
Oh,
me to go to
anyway,
Vegas?
Ed, come to Vigo's Friday.
I can't. To be honest, the list
There's a seat in there.
of people who didn't is shorter. It's only more
Where the
important.
fuck is my candy?
Ask.
Swear to God, if I look in the trash can and I see a wrapper.
I thought that was me. Nasty Christian.
Oh my fuck. Do I look white to you? Anyways, look what they did to his back.
Wait, did it turn it inside?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hilarious. Take that L, Casey.
I thought.
Oh my god. You're not.
Help me.
Okay.
Take his new sport.
Aaron, you're going to Vigo's Friday.
Viggo's Friday? Yeah, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes,
That's
you
fine.
are.
I already know.
We don't want to.
I'm not trying to be.
If Ruben's going, yeah, because I'm going to Ruben's.
Oh, of course.
Oh yeah, he's staying the night at Ruben's on Friday, and Ruben didn't invite anyone else.
Oh, they're
Yeah, he's inviting me.
they're happy.
Y'all forget that they kissed, right?
Exactly. That makes it more likely.
I didn't like that.
Dominic, ¿estás ganando? ¿De dónde vienes?
Muy guapo, Dominic.
You heard you say?
I don't hear anything. La pelea. Who you putting your money on?